Hi everyone, let's start and create this thing, this presentation. You see, it's the effect is nice. I hope you like it. So let's see how we can create that effect. You see, these are the text. So how we can create these circles. You see, there is nothing here. So how we create this effect? At first, you need to create these shapes. Some of you may ask how we can create these shapes that look like they are not in any shapes. This is simple. You need to create them by here. It's one and create another one. Make them to not look like a circle. It's important. Then send them to back and just simply align them center and middle. Align center, align middle. Now rotate it a little. Okay, it's nicer this way. Then what shall we do? We shall set a picture as a background. Let's go with that. It's nice. Then you need to select these two and remember, we need the line of the outline to be solid white. And the size is up to you, but the transparency is better to be in the middle. And then the important part here, you make them color the slide background. Then copy this slide, format the background, and insert a new picture you want. Let's go with this. And then you just simply select these two and rotate it. And also it's better to not rotate it at first. Let me say, you need to rotate it in a different places. One here, okay, and one in another step. Then set the transition to morph for this slide. And your perfect effect is here. Look how stunning and beautiful it is. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a great time.